Hey everyone, I'm Jose Sadamento, software engineer at MuleSoft, and in this opportunity I will show you how to integrate your Mule applications with Amazon Simple Notification Service using Mule Studio and Cloud Hub. In order to run this demo, you will need an Amazon Web Services account, a Cloud Hub account, you can get one from cloudhub.io, and Mule Studio CE. In this opportunity we will use Mule Studio 332, and it's possible to be downloaded from MuleSoft.org. So the first thing that we have to do in Mule Studio is to install the Cloud Connector. So we'll go to Help, Install New Software. We have to choose the update site for Cloud Connectors. Then we'll look for Amazon SNS. And in this case I already installed the connector, so let's create a Mule project. So we'll create a new Mule project. After clicking on Finish, Mule Studio will create the complete structure for the project. Basically we will add three flows. The first one is for create a topic on Amazon SNS. So I drag and drop an HTTP endpoint. I configure the path to create topic, and I will look for the instance connector. Double click on the connector. The first thing that we have to do is to create a config. So we'll click here, and we need an access key and secret key. I have my own keys here. I will copy them. You can get your own keys from the Amazon account. So we select the create topic operation, and we have to configure the topic name. Okay. And the last part is to add a transformer for return the JSON object to the browser. So that's all for the first flow. Let's add the second flow. So we drag and drop an HTTP endpoint. Configure the path, in this case for subscribing to the topic, and we have to choose the configuration that we created before. We have to enter the topic ARN, and I will use a query parameter for this. So I enter the expression header inbound topic ARN, the name of the parameter, and I will subscribe with my email in this case. We add the transformers for returning the JSON. That's all for the second flow. And the last flow is for publishing the message to the topic. So let's add an HTTP endpoint called publish to the path. Then we drag and drop the Amazon SNS connector to the canvas, and we select our configuration, and we select the operation publish. In this way we need the topic ARN. We will enter the topic as a query parameter as well, the same as the previous operation. We will enter another query parameter for message, and another query parameter for subject. So that's all. Let's configure the transformer. I add a transformer, and that's all for the flow. So now we have to run the applications. So click Run As. New start to deploy the application, and we go to the browser. We'll call the first operation, let's create topic, run operation, and we'll get the topic information in the browser. So we have the topic ARN here. We copied the topic ARN, and now we will subscribe my email to this topic. So I enter a query parameter called topic ARN, copy it, the complete topic ARN, And now, as it is an email subscription, we need to confirm the subscription, clicking on the link available in the email. So we have to go to our email inbox, select the email. I will copy the link, go back to the browser, paste the link, and now we have the confirmation for Amazon. So now I will publish a message using the same topic URL. I will add the message query parameter and subject. So now I run the endpoint and I get the message ID. So we have to go back to our inbox and I have the message from topic. Now we will prepare our application to be deployed to Cloud Hub. Basically we have to replace our external port for a placeholder that will be automatically replaced by Cloud Hub. The placeholder is http.port, so I will go to every HTTP endpoint and replace the port for the placeholder HTTP port. So that's all. Okay, we save our application and we will export our application. Going to the menu export, we select the name for the application and we go to the browser, our Cloud Hub account, upload your first application. We have to enter the domain. We have to choose the application file here. And now Cloud Hub starts to deploy our application. And the whole process could take a few minutes. You could see the complete process here in the logs tab. And once the application has been deployed, you can see here, we will go to the browser and we will call the endpoint. In this case, we will call publish using our Cloud Hub domain. So we enter the local domain, we'll go publish. I will copy the same parameters that we used before. We run the application. I will change the subject and we run the application and we got the message ID. So we go back to our inbox and we see our new message. Okay, that's all for this demo. As you could see, consuming Amazon Simple Notification Service is pretty straightforward with Mule and MuleStudio. For further information, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at MuleSoft.org, our documentation at GitHub, and our blogs at blogs.mulesoft.org. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Till the next time. Bye.